Garden Señorita. Over there. Till end of that area. Bro, what do you think?
Nice.
This place.
Very
Really?
nice. Peaceful
Good. Thank you.
and cool.
And cool. See, wow, what a nice air. Wind. Oh my god, I can feel the. Hello guys, this is Davos. This is from Mindanao. Um, it's not really exactly a Davao City, but still in Mindanao. You can see the beauty of our country, Philippines. I'm so proud of being a Filipino because we have lots of nice view here, the nature. See guys, this is it. So over there, mountain, the beauty of the nature, so natural. See, so walk lang tayo mga kaibigan. Wow, this is fresh flowers. Whoa, more flowers. Wow. Wow, you can see the beauty. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel. Please do subscribe, likes and comments on my video, and thank you so much.